friends, you're watching Learn to Update. Welcome to another video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. And all the links for the notifications which I covered in this video are given below in the description box. The salary ranges between 2 lakhs per annum to up to 16 lakhs per annum. So don't forget to watch the video till the end to get information about all the job notifications. And the first organization of this video is Brio Technologies. They are hiring for software engineer. Eligibility criteria and about the company is given here in this website. The eligibility criteria is BE BTech 2020 batch, CS or IT, good academics, good PH score. The job description is software engineer will be expected to have the following skills: good logical thinking, go-getter attitude, ability to think outside the boundary, adaptability to changing technology needs as the project demands, and additionally will need to have the patience to work hard when needed but be smart in handling hard work. Self-learning ability will be a plus. Some of the candidates will be deployed in IS initiatives and some will be deployed into IS core development. So this is about the job description. If you are interested and eligible to apply for Brio Software Engineer Bengaluru, you have to create an eLitmus account. If you have already an account, you can simply click on login to apply and then give your credentials and then apply for this job role. If you want to register for this eLitmus, you can simply click on register button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Jindal Steel and Power. They are hiring for, there are a lot of openings in the Jindal Steel and Power, so you can apply any of these roles. As per the sources, the latest openings is for graduate engineer trainees. You have to select this one and give all the details about this, give all the details which they are asking for. You can simply click on submit button after filling all the details. The educational qualification for this job role is BE BTech graduates can apply for this job role. And the next organization is Kantar. So they are hiring for some senior analyst of level 2. This is in Microsoft Forms. Analyst level 2 and senior analyst are the job roles which they are hiring for. And the current location open for relocation to Bangalore. So these are the skills, these are the details they are required to process further in the application process. And the educational qualification is BE BTech graduates can apply for this Kantar analyst and senior analyst role. If you are interested, you can simply fill out this form and click on submit button. And the next organization of this video is Festo India Private Limited. They are hiring for graduate engineer trainee. They are hiring through Naukri.com, so you must have a Naukri account. If you have an account, you can simply log in to apply, or you don't have an account, you can have to register to apply for this job role. The job description, roles and responsibilities, desired candidate profile, perks and benefits, educational qualification, key skills are given here in this website. The desired candidate profile should be degree or diploma engineering, good communication and interpersonal skills, strong organizational skill and ability to work as a team, English business fluent, written and spoken. Candidate should be ready to work 6 days in a week. So these are the desirable candidate profile, and you can check these roles and responsibilities also. Knowledge and SAP is an additional advantage. Candidate should be ready to work in 6 days in a week. BE diploma degree is must. Ensure 100% compliance and given checklist. Coordinating with finance teams. So there are a lot of roles and responsibilities given here in this website. Before applying, go through all these details and then log in to apply, and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization of this video is Honeywell. They are hiring for software engineer of level 1. So here they give the innovate to solve the world's most important challenges. Key responsibilities of this job role is requirements and design, software architecture and coding, integration, certification, test, feature definition, customer support, verification and validation. And you must have bachelor's degree in engineering or computer science. And they value understanding various software development life cycle, demonstrate the ability to develop efficient and high quality softwares, knowledge of software configuration management and change management practices, diverse and global teaming and collaboration, effective communicator, can quickly analyze, incorporate and apply new information and concepts, and ability to convey subtle or complex messages clearly, ability to code in multiple languages. There are a lot of description are given here in this website. Additional information for this job role is category is engineering, and the location is also given here in this website. The education qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech graduates can apply for this job role. If you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization of this video is Ola. So Ola is hiring for software development engineer, testing one cloud, and the job ID is 17389. The roles and responsibilities are participate in the full development life cycle, working with broadly defined parameters including design, development, testing and maintenance of the existing application with minimal supervision. Work on performance improvement activities, instrument and test performance metrics, unit testing and deployment, working with the product and QA liaise with stakeholders to ensure smooth delivery. And experience and skills are also given here in this website. And the educational qualification is engineering degree in computer science from a reputed or repute with 1 to 3 years of development experience in a product form. So if you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is SAP. They are hiring for developer associate. The city is in Bangalore. Career statistics graduates can apply for this job role. And the company description is given here in this website. If you look at roles and requirements, work experience is 1 to 3 years, master's or bachelor's degree in engineering or technology, majority in computer science, electronics or information technology science, or master's degree in computer applications from a reputed institute. Sound knowledge in object-oriented programming principles and design patterns. Proficiency in Java is mandatory. Knowledge in Spring Boot, client-side technology and database concepts would be an advantage. Working knowledge of REST web services is preferred. Knowledge of SAP UI and XSJS is also an advantage. Experience of working on cloud software development would be an advantage. Ability and eagerness to learn and explore new topics independently. Ability to work with the team in the design and development aspects for the product, excellent analytical and problem solving skills, and a strong desire to work in a high performance team. This is what the roles and responsibilities, and what you get from them is also given here in this website. The educational qualification for this job role is BE, BTech, MCA graduates can apply for this job role. If you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Wipro. So Wipro is hiring for IT operations management administrator. The job description is given here in this website. Key skills for the job are desktop support, L1 as an administrator. You should be able to monitor the IT infrastructure for its availability, capacity usage, hardware and OS errors and failures. Handle first level incident problem determination resolution on a 24/7 basis. And then as an administrator, so there are a lot of job roles and responsibilities is given here in this website. If you are interested and eligible to apply for Wipro, you can simply click on apply button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Camp K12. They are hiring for online coding tutor. And the package ranges between 2.5 lakhs per annum to 6.3 lakhs per annum. About the company, website, job location, desired experience, course specialization, target batch, probation or training period is also given here in this website. If you look at skill set required, excellent communication skills, coding knowledge either via your job, college degree or hobby, patience, empathy and a strong teacher personality, past teaching experience is ideal. A laptop with a web camera and working microphone, strong internet connectivity, excellent conversational skills, must have a good command over English, proficiency in JavaScript is mandatory, knowledge of other programming languages is a plus, preferred but not compulsory. Some experience working with students in any capacity, and salary will be based on the number of classes you complete. So this is the thing about Camp K12. So if you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply apply for this job role clicking on apply button here. And the educational qualification is BSc, BTech, BE, BBA, BCA. Any graduate can apply for this job role. And the next organization of this video is Solugenix. They are hiring for associate software engineer trainee Java. Overview, Solugenix. Qualifications are good knowledge of software design and software development life cycle, experience or knowledge of programming languages like Java, good understanding of object-oriented programming concepts, experience of knowledge of web technologies like HTML5, CSS, etc., knowledge of frameworks like Angular, Spring Boot, etc., knowledge of database concepts and SQL, be willing to learn new technologies and concepts, excellent communication skills, resourcefulness and good troubleshooting abilities, good interpretational skills and personal skills, and good team player, attention to detail. So this is about the qualifications they require, and the educational qualification is BE, BTech graduates can apply for this job role. If you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply for the job online button and it will take you to the further process. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video, friends. Keep learning.